What's going on, guys? It's your boy JQ, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that it's been a while. I've just been very busy. Just finished up my bachelor's degree and just got a next gen console. I'm really excited. So I actually want to bring you some highlights of my first next gen kind of gameplay highlights out of the air raid offense. I know me and a couple of YouTubers and a couple of Madden pros. We've been talking about this offense for the past couple weeks, and we really just started getting into it. I don't know if you know who PCAM is, but PCAM runs the air raid quite a bit, and I'm really diving into it as well. And you're gonna see how just deadly this offense is and how everything gets open. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys for Madden 23.